Hi, I am Hardik Naik from Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. Welcome you all video series of Solidworks software. In this video, you will learn how to draw circle. There are the two types of circle. First, that is circle, and second one is perimeter circle. As discussed in previous video, for the sketching purpose, we have to select the sketching plane, then select sketch. In previous video, we learned center line. Now I am selecting center line. For the further detail, you have to see this video. Now I am draw one center line. Again select center line. I am taking random dimensions. Again select center line from to the origin. You can also modify the dimension here. Again edit sketch. Now smart dimension. So here the dimension is 114. I am taking 120. So our sketch is fully defined. Now here I am selecting first circle method. For this I am taking this origin center point and take random radius. You can modify radius here also. Take 60. You can also use smart dimensions. So here the diameter is 120. Again I am selecting perimeter circle. So for this we have to select the 3 points, first point, second point and third point. You can exit circle command by using keyboard. Here you can see the trim commands. So selecting trim. For this I am selecting trim to closest. So by selecting this line, circle line and this line, you can trim the lines. But here you can see our sketch is over defined. So for this we have to delete item is unsolved. You can see here this red item. So I am deleting this item and again zoom to fit. So this is the circle. This is the circle method by using sketch. Now you can directly convert this 2D into 3D. For this complete the sketch, and in future you can use extrude. Selecting sketching. Now enlarge. Again you can modify dimension here also. Press enter and press OK. You can directly modify dimension here also. Right click, then edit feature. You can also modify dimensions like this here. Take 125. Here I am taking 125. Then complete the extrude. So with the help of mouse you can rotate the object. So this is the end of the lecture. In next video we will see another command. At the end, if you find my video helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.